Hi everybody. Welcome to EduTap, and I also want to welcome all of you to the ARD Current Affairs series which is currently going on for NABARD Grade 8 2025 examination. और आज के सेशन में न्यूज़ थोड़ी कम है. There are less number of news, but they are very important because first we are going to look at India's first genome edited rice variety has come. So what is like this genome edited and why these varieties are important? See, first of all, they can be very less chances, but they might be directly asked in the multiple choice questions that what are the name of the recent varieties that have been developed, because they are India's first, right? But secondly, you can use this news in your descriptive writings where can talk about science and technology in agriculture, right? These things can beautifully be incorporated on such questions. Okay. Second is about, so ranking has been has come, and such ranking based questions sometime it are asked in examination. So Tamil Nadu has topped the textile export in 2025 again. Last year also it was on the top, right? So we will briefly look about it. And third, see, these portals and applications, these are asked a lot in the BART grade examination. So all the three, although the number of news are less, but they are significantly important, and that is what we are going to look at one by one. Starting off with, देखो, India's first genome edited rice varieties आई है. There are two varieties. One is DRR Rice 100 Kamla, and if you look at the same news, कहीं पे Kamala भी लिखा है CAMALA, but both means the same thing only. ठीक है? As such, no full form is there of DRR in case you are getting confused. Simple आपको याद रखना है, DRR Rice 100 Kamla और दूसरी पूसा DST Rice 1. ठीक है? तो what are these? So first of all, what is like genome editing? So just like, if I have to give you a comparison in a very simple term, sometimes, doctors, they perform operations on a patient's body, right? So what they do, on your organ level, they do some changes, right? They modify your body parts so that you can live properly, right? If you're facing any problem before. Similar thing, what is like genome editing here at the DNA level, the editing is done by the scientist. Maybe some new gene is added or any gene is removed, something that at the gene level editing is done, so that what can happen, the desired result that you want, that can come. So here, what was the desired result? देखो, at this very moment, we want such varieties which gives us a better production, better yield, so that we can fulfill the need of the millions of people, right? And at the same time, they should be acquiring lesser space, because we are struggling for space as well. Population is increasing. Along with that, we are also aiming for such varieties which can be which can have climate adaptability, जो climate के लिए sustainable हो, right? So keeping in by that in mind, with the help of this genome editing, we now have two rice varieties, DRR Rice 100 Kamla and Pusa DST Rice 1. ठीक है, ये चीज आपको ध्यान रखनी है. And these varieties, first of all, they are providing with higher production. ठीक है. Apart from that, climate adaptability कैसे, and see, second and third are like interlinked somehow. Water conservation करती है, तो means less water is required. Now less water is required by any variety. Now what it will happen, it means what, that it will be lesser conserving the energy, consuming the energy. And if it is consuming lesser energy, definitely it is releasing lesser greenhouse gases, और fertilizer requirement भी कम हो जाती है, and because of that also our environment is saved. ठीक है, तो दोनों चीजें थोड़ी interlinked है. Background की बात करें, like why this genome editing has come into question. So basically in 2018, ICAR, Indian Council of Agriculture Research, they have come up with this initiative. What is ICAR? This is like the apex agriculture body that we have, autonomous body that we have in India. They initiated this research, right? And now, and they started off this research on which major varieties, Samba, Masuri and MTU 1010, और उन्हीं में से, like these were the two varieties that were picked up, that we will edit these varieties and we will then make new varieties which will provide us with the objective of better production, climate adaptability and water conservation. और इन्हीं को edit करके फिर क्या बना, इन्हीं को edit करके we got DRR Rice 100 and Pusa DST Rice 1, which now provides with like 19% better yield, 20% reduction in greenhouse emission, so much of water is being saved, ठीक है, and improved tolerance to drought, salinity and climate stress. फेस, अगेन क्लाइमेट अडेप्टेबिलिटी की जो बात हम कर रहे हैं, कंजर्वेशन ऑफ एनवायरमेंट की बात कर रहे हैं, ये सब उसको क्या कर रहा है, उसको केटर कर रहा है, ठीक है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, where this news was given, apart from that there were other one important concept was mentioned, which I have added it over here in the name of additional news, so that you can again utilize this information in your interviews, in your descriptive answer writing. There are no chances that this can be asked in objective, but descriptive and in interview you can use. Here the Union Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Department, he said that currently government is focusing on -5 and +10 formula. What does it mean? It means that we have to reduce the cultivation of rice, ठीक है, in terms of area, how much we have to reduce to 5 million hectare. Means area wise, if we have to say, like for example, if like I was using this X area, the aim under -5 +10 is to reduce this particular area by 5 million hectare. Means this, for example, in next season I would not be sowing these rice in 5 million hectare, ठीक है. Area wise we have to reduce, but we have to increase the production by 10 million tons. कहने का क्या मतलब, please keep in mind, -5 +10 means area wise I have to reduce 5 million hectare area for rice, but my production should be more, my production should double. How it will be double? It will be doubled by better rice varieties. It will be developed, it will be achieved, this double unit of the yield, it will be achieved when we will go for such varieties which use limited area but they provide us with better production, ठीक है. Why government has come up with -5 +10 plan? They have come up with so that if this area is reduced for rice, ठीक है, देखो, first of all, rice consumption, rice is like staple food in India, so we cannot reduce the production of rice because it is prominently required in India, right? But we can reduce the space. And why we need to reduce the space? So that then in that particular area we can actually we can actually cultivate pulses and oil seeds, which we are currently dependent on the foreign countries, right, for our needs. So if the area is reduced, we would have ample of area to grow pulses, oil seeds over there, ठीक है. तो ये -10 प्लस -5 +10 का फॉर्मूला है, बहुत अच्छा कंसेप्ट है. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, ये जो जीनोम एडिटिंग के लिए 500 करोड़ इन 23-24 बजट गवर्नमेंट इसको लेके आया था, सो दैट्स अ गुड थिंग. थोड़ा डिटेल में दिया गया है DRR, आइस 100 और राइस 100 एंड पूसा DST के बारे में. फॉर एग्जाम्पल DRR राइस की अगर बात करें, इंक्रीज द नंबर ऑफ ग्रेन्स पर पैनिकल. व्हाट इज पैनिकल? लाइक इफ दिस इज योर जो अपर पोर्शन है जहाँ पे आपके बेसिकली राइस निकलता है, this is known as a panicle. So number of grains will be more, so definitely if this is more, so your yield has increased, right? And apart from that, very good quality of DRR rice 100 Kamla is that it matures 10 day earlier. Before the maturity time, it matures earlier. Now because it is maturing earlier, because of this reason it will be consuming lesser water. Definitely अगर 20 दिन पहले अगर हो गई तो mature होगी, तो 20 दिन में जितना पानी उसको required था, now it will not take that water, it will not consume that water, right? That buffer of 20 days that now we have. And because of that fertilizer consumption will be less, and because of it methane gas emission क्या है, lose होगा, means less होगा atmosphere में. its stock is strong and does not fall, ठीक है. so it's a good thing. stock अगर strong होगी तो panicle जो है वो ज़्यादा grains को bear कर पाएगा. the panicle will be able to bear more number of grains. and किससे बनी है? if you remember, we studied ना in 2018, two varieties were taken up, rice varieties were taken up by ICR, and on then editing was done, right? एक क्या थी आपकी, सामा मसूरी थी. तो सामा मसूरी से आपका DRR राइस 100 बना है, और जो आपका MTU 1010 है उससे आपकी पूसा DST राइस बनी है, जिसमें भी यील्ड इंक्रीज देखने को मिल रहा है. इनफैक्ट इन योर जो सॉल्टी सॉइल्स है, जहाँ पे सलाइन अल्कलाइन सॉइल्स आपके प्रेजेंट है, वहां पे भी अच्छा प्रोडक्शन देखने को मिला है, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट न्यूज इज अबाउट तमिलनाडु टॉप्स टेक्सटाइल. टेक्सटाइल क्या होता है? बेसिकली कपड़ों के बारे में, ठीक है. ये कैसे लिंक्ड है आपके रूरल डेवलपमेंट सेक्शन से? बेसिकली जो हैंडलूम वाला पोर्शन है, दैट इज योर खैर कोर पार्ट ऑफ रूरल डेवलपमेंट, राइट? बट टेक्सटाइल इज समथिंग लाइक दैट कैन बी अ लिटिल बिट इनकॉर्पोरेटेड इन द रूरल डेवलप इंडस्ट्रीज दैट आर देयर, ठीक है. रूरल जो इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया, वहां से आप इसको थोड़ा लिंक कर सकते हैं, वरना जो हैंडलूम है वो तो खैर कोर कंसेप्ट है आपका रूरल डेवलपमेंट का. तो इसमें यू डोंट हैव टू लाइक लर्न कि कितना ज्यादा अकाउंट किया, ये तो जस्ट आई हैव added it, no news over here because it was in news. You need not to cover, these things will not be asked in exam, ठीक है. But all in all that you have to keep in mind कि जो टेक्सटाइल एक्सपोर्ट हुआ है उसमें जो तमिलनाडु है इट हैज रैंक्ड फर्स्ट. सेकंड कौन है आपका, सेकंड हाईएस्ट आपका गुजरात का एक्सपोर्ट होता है, ठीक है. और 26%, 26.71% जो है वो तमिलनाडु का कंट्रीब्यूशन है. लाइक ओवरऑल कंट्रीब्यूशन इफ यू लुक एट $7.99 बिलियन, या फिर आप 26.7% ऑफ ओवरऑल एक्सपोर्ट दैट इज डन, वो आपका कहाँ से आता है, तमिलनाडु से आता है. थर्ड, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट न्यूज, डीपोर्ट दर्पण पोर्टल एंड मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन. व्हाट इज दिस? So basically we have Department of Food and Public Distribution, which is DFPD, and it focuses on, you know, maintaining storage facilities for the grains from the crops so that they can be stored for the whatever duration that they need to be stored. Right now what the government has decided that they will come up with a portal, the port Darpan portal, where, or mobile application, where what the objective will be to ensure the food storage depots meet the highest quality and performance standard. Basically the aim of this is that whoever will be the depot manager, he will be on real time with the help of these portals or this mobile application on the real time, like what are the conditions of the infrastructure, or not only the infrastructure of that storage facility, food storage facility, but also the operational management. How is it going on, like what are the operational management, are labors present there or not, right? These comes under operational management. Or not only that, apart from it, for example, how efficiently the space is being utilized, ठीक है. मान लो for example the area is like 100 kg तक it can be stored over there, right? But in that depot only 20 kg is there, right? So the depot managers can contact with the other managers and they can, you know, compensate if any other place has more food grains to store, they can shift it over there. Or maybe here 150 with the capacity of 100 kg, 150 kg of the produce is being kept. Now that can't be done, right? It might get perished. So in that case depot manager might transfer it somewhere else, right? So it's very important operational management भी देखना. And then आपका ये जो simple जो आपका infrastructure, is it fine, is it leaking from somewhere or anything like that, everything can be checked on the real time basis. तो जो depot managers होंगे, they will upload the geotagged inputs. Geotagging में क्या होता है, सब कुछ mention हो जाता है, what place is this, what, like everything, all your internet से ही with the help of like Google Map, everything is like mentioned in that, in geotagging कि ये इस जगह का place है. real time उसमें आपको चीजें दिखने को मिल जाती है. इससे क्या होता है, इससे जो आपका quality है, जो performance standard है, वो it can be easily checked. And in fact this system ensures 100% validation by supervisory officer, is everything or is at the right place or not. And in fact third party audits become more efficient if you have such online applications, ठीक है, and portals. Apart from that, what's the aim, वही है, evaluate करना अच्छे से infrastructure, operational and financial performance of that particular food storage unit, right? And it is like being aimed at under depot Darpan. What will be done, smart warehousing technologies will be integrated, like CCTV surveillance होगा, right? So that again, how will you, with the help of a portal or mobile application, you can go for real time checking? Definitely by with the help of CCTV surveillance. इसके अलावा बहुत सारे sensors, information technology sensors लगाए जाएंगे, ठीक है, sensors लगाए जाएंगे. And then various other, you know, fire hazards, humidity, like for that अलग अलग remote controls will be there so that everything can be checked properly. And ये information of technology informed जो enabled आपके monitoring है, इसमें क्या क्या include है, ऐसे sensor लगाना which can help to, you know, check what is the temperature and relative humidity in that particular area. Because if not, this belongs to your ARD static component of seed storage also. देखो all your current affair is linked to your static वाला portion, ठीक है. तो जो seed storage आपका पूरा एक seed and sowing, there is a chapter, you might be learning that currently, or you will learn if you're going for the NABARD exam ARD static. तो वहाँ पे you know that different grains require different storage temperature, storage relative humidity, right? So this ambient sensor will help to check like what is that, ठीक है. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का कितना ज्यादा कंसंट्रेशन है, दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू सी कि कोई इन्फेस्टेशन वहाँ हो सकता है या नहीं हो सकता है. मेटाबॉलिज्म आपका रिड्यूस करने के लिए भी यूज होता है. सिमिलरली फॉस्फीन गैस सेंसर होंगे, गेट शटर सेंसर, सो दैट एनी अनऑथराइज्ड पर्सन कैन नॉट एंटर दैट पर्टिकुलर एरिया. फायर स्मोक सेंसर, so that you know any mishap can be controlled beforehand. Apart from that, what will be done, ANPR, automatic number and plate recognition, and your vehicle identification and then your face recognition technology, all these things are aimed to be included in such storage facilities, food storage facilities, या warehouse facilities on the pilot basis, so that their efficiency can be improved, the storage facilities can be improved. Okay, I hope all news are clear. Now let's try to do some question. The first is, what is the key feature of the newly developed DRR Rice 100 variety? There are further options, and the correct answer over here is your option number B, that is matures 20 days earlier, saving water and reducing methane emission. Coming to question number 2, which of the following statement is true about Pusa DST rice? Okay, you have option. I would request you to please pause a little and then read and try to answer it, but the correct answer over here is option number C, alkaline soil में up to, देखो आपको 20 से 30% आपकी एक रेंज है, वैसे तो 9.94 से आगे बढ़ते बढ़ते अराउंड 30% तक का it can give you with the yield. ठीक है, what is the aim of -5 + 10 formula introduced recently? ठीक है, तो इसका aim क्या है? That is to reduce your rice cultivation area by 5 million hectare but to increase the production by 10 million tons. ठीक है, तो here the aim is to reduce the area but increase the yield. Question number 4 is, which state was the top textile export state in India in 2024-25? So we know that option number D, Tamil Nadu is. After that we have Gujarat. Okay, now here's a homework for you. This is about the objective of Depot Darpan portal and mobile application that is recently been launched by the government of India. So what is it that you have to tell? For more such videos, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can join our Telegram channel to get the PDF of this and every lecture that we provide here on YouTube. So that is all in this video. Thank you everybody for watching. All the very best for your future.